Okay, hello, Matt.
Hello, Todd.
Matt, I'm going to ask you some questions about pets.
Okay.
First question, do you have a pet?
Yes, at my mom's house we have three pets, 2 dogs and a cat. My family actually raises dogs for helping blind people.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow. Like, how do they train the dogs?
How do they train the dogs? Well, I mean, it's a long process, right? I mean, we get them when they're puppies, and so we train them basic, sit, come, really basic things. And then after they're about 2 years old, they go to different training school.
Oh, wow, that's great.
Yeah.
Why? How many dogs do they usually train at a time?
Just one. We have our own dog, and then we have a dog that we have that we're training.
Okay.
Yeah, just one dog at a time.
Do you ever see the dogs you train, like out on the street or anything?
Sometimes we see them. They'll have like, sort of conventions of, or reunions of the pets, and so yeah, you get to see them every once in a while.
Oh, wow, that's cool. That's cool. Why do people keep pets?
I guess the most important thing is companionship, right? So there's somebody always there for you that will like you no matter what.
Yeah, it's true. Okay, besides cats, dogs, and fish, what are some other pets people keep?
Well, I guess if you're Siegfried and Roy, you can keep a tiger or a lion. I guess all types of things, don't they?
Yeah.
I mean, my friend has a snake, or I don't know if you mentioned that, snake and ferrets and insects, spiders, all kinds of things.
All right. Yeah, that's like there's so many. What are some costs associated with keeping a pet?
Food is probably the biggest cost, but also if you keep the dog, particularly the dog, in your house, and when they're puppies, and we have a lot of puppies, they'll chew up everything they can.
Yeah.
So we're replacing shoes and cleaning up pee from the carpet and things like that. So it can be a hassle.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks a lot, Matt. And by the way, where are you from?
I'm from the USA, from Minnesota.
Okay, great. Thanks, Matt.